Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Charge the Nothing Ear 2 case and earbuds to at least 50% because resets can fail on low power. Once done, open the case and keep earbuds inside. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is off and the Nothing X app is closed so the buds won't reconnect mid-reset. Use a small pin or folded paper clip so you can access the case reset button cleanly. This prepares hardware and avoids interference. Now you can trigger the reset sequence with steady hands. You now perform the reset. Press and hold the case reset button for about 10 seconds while the earbuds remain in the case. You should see the LED flash amber then blink. This indicates a factory reset is initiating. Make sure not to open the lid or release early, because interrupting the sequence cancels the operation. If the LED shows white or green, release, wait 5 seconds, then retry with a firm, continuous hold to ensure the internal firmware receives the clear command. You finish the process by reopening the case when the LED becomes steady white. Remove earbuds and set them into pairing mode to add them back to your device fresh. Make sure to reinstall or open the Nothing X app to complete firmware updates and personalization. This is why you reset, to clear pairing or firmware issues. If pairing fails, charge the case fully and repeat the reset. And if problems persist, reinstall the app or try another phone to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.